Hi everyone, I'm here at Hidramar Shipyard. We are in the final stages of construction of the PLOTEC hull. Behind me you can see they're doing the final weld preparations, just cleaning up and getting everything ready for the very last set of welds to go on. The roof is on. We've got one of the access ladders already installed, the second one is still yet to be installed, but all the work on the roof is complete and we are just waiting to do the final set of welds around the exterior of the hull before sandblasting. Next up, we are going to be doing the installation. We have got the chains. They've arrived in Las Palmas. We're just waiting for those to be cleared so that we can attach some to the hull in preparation for the installation. And the others are going to the FlowCam test site to be pre-installed and ready to be hooked up to the vessel. So then, after the installation phase, we will be taking sensor readings of the vessel and GPRS readings of the vessel to see how it's responding in the water. And from that data, we can determine how it compares against computational models that we've performed.